10 all-natural alternatives for Viagra. Many men suffer from erectile dysfunction, which makes it difficult to maintain an erection for a longer period of time. But why choose something fake when fresh food and dietary supplements can simply assist you in overcoming your concern? The 10 foods listed below work in the same way as Viagra does, allowing you to have a healthy and happy marriage. 1. Pomegranate. This fruit boosts your vitality and allows you to have a hot night with your spouse. Pomegranate juice works similarly to Viagra and has no negative side effects because it is natural. It's high in antioxidants, which helps to enhance blood flow in the genital region. 2. Watermelon. According to studies, watermelon is one of the best fruits that acts just like Viagra. Citrulline in watermelon relaxes blood vessels while also producing arginine and creating nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is important in your sexual life since it boosts your emotions and helps you get a firmer erection. 3. Green vegetables. As an alternative to Viagra, spinach, cabbage, and other green leafy vegetables can also be ingested. They are high in vitamins and minerals. Vitamin E boosts energy levels and produces chemicals that promote fulfilling intimacy. 4. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds contain zinc and omega-3 fatty acids, which help to stimulate your sex hormone levels. 5. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate enhances your sexuality while also improving your feelings, mood, and stress levels. It also contains serotonin and phenethylamine, which increase libido. 6. Strawberries. Strawberries are high in vitamin C and help to improve the quality of sperm. 7. Bananas. Bananas are high in potassium, which improves blood flow. This fruit's vitamin B boosts your energy levels, allowing you to stay in bed for extended periods of time. Bananas also increase testosterone. 8. Nuts and dried fruits. The key cause for satisfying intimacy is high energy. Nuts are high in vitamin B3, which boosts energy and improves sperm quality. 9. Chili. While cooking, add some spices and offer to your loved ones. Chili spices increase the blood flow and libido. 10. Avocados. Avocados are high in vitamin B6, folic acid, and heart-healthy fats, all of which help you feel more energized. Vitamin B6 is the most significant, as it aids in the creation of hormones in men. Avocados are essential for high sex drive. According to health experts and scientists, watermelon juice is a form of natural Viagra. Watermelon consumption boosts libido in men suffering from mild to moderate erectile dysfunction. This enhances blood flow throughout the body, including the penis, without the negative side effects associated with Viagra. This fruit is high in vitamin C and contains 92% water, making it useful for men who suffer from impotence. Try this all-natural juice concoction in place of Viagra. Take 1/4 watermelon, 1 lemon, and 1 pomegranate. In a blender, combine all of the ingredients and blend thoroughly. Fill a bottle with the juice and place it in the refrigerator. On an empty stomach, consume 1/3 cup of the juice every morning. Before dinner, repeat the process. This healthy and natural juice will significantly boost blood flow, allowing you to perform better in bed. Links to products mentioned in the description. Be sure to like and subscribe to get more videos like this one.